Eli, just old cracked stone, said, I'm sure I could design a better one.
Martha said, Hello, Eli. What are you doing with my old bridge?
Eli said, Hello, Martha. I am sketching. This bridge, it's outdated. Concrete and steel would be more durable, more powerful. Eli said, I want to design a bridge of the future.
Martha said, Do you think so? Do you know why this bridge, built more than 100 years ago, still stands?
Eli said, Because it was built before everything became rushed, I guess.
Martha said, Not quite. Look at these stones. Each one has a different shape and size, yet they fit perfectly with the one beside it. They don't try to be concrete or steel. They simply are what they are, doing their work, bearing the weight together.
Eli said, Enduring together.
Martha said, That's right. When my grandfather built this bridge, he didn't build it with stone alone. He built it with patience and a promise.
Grandfather said, Anything built on trust and shared effort will last longer than any material.
Eli said, So, my bridge of the future isn't about better materials, is it, Martha?
Martha said, The bridge of the future, Eli, is built from the same kind of material, courage and connection. Your materials will be new ideas and the different people you work with. Don't just look for stones that are the same. Look for the different ones, the ones that can fill the gaps you can't fill on your own.
Eli said, filling the gaps. I see. My bridge won't be a perfect straight line. It will be made of many pieces like a team.
Martha said, That's right, Eli. And whenever you see a crack along the way, don't rush to replace everything. Instead, see if a new piece can strengthen it. That's how the greatest things endure.
Eli said, I'll keep the old stone bridge in my design, but I'll add new, stronger connecting cables so it can bring even more good into the future.
Martha said, A wonderful idea, Eli. Now start building. Just never forget, true strength lies in connection, not in isolation.